21 Dodge Charger, 392 Scat Pack. Beautiful burgundy. Got a little boo-boo right there, but it's okay. Still runs. Factory converter there, factory converter there, factory X. And they watch our videos and said, we want you to get ours done. So we hooked them up. Mid delete. There. Valve still in, as you guys can see there and there. Then rear delete and replaced with Carven R's. Because, you know, why not? There'll be a link in the description for them. And then finished it off cleanly with some 4.5-inch black angle cut Natami tips there in there to finish it off, to make it look good, fit that gap nicely, and all that good stuff. Stay tuned. I'm going to let you guys hear it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, hit that subscribe. Starty. Woo! Look at that idle. I like it. Here's the idle sound. About 83. Go ahead. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. 116. Perfect. That's a clean sounding Charger. I like that. You guys let me know what the sound, how do you guys think of the sound on it? Let you guys hear on the inside. This one. Savage mode right there. That sounds good. Enjoy it.